Whereas Labour are today announcing their government would host an annual business and investments summit. Shadow Paymaster General Jonathan Ashworth joins us now. So is this like Davos in Daventry, or what are you planning?
I hadn't heard of it in those terms, but that's not a bad phrase. We might steal that, Eamon. Look, we want to work with the business community hand in hand, because we know that's the way in which you create good, well-paid jobs across the country. It's how you drive up living standards. It's how you drive up growth and spread prosperity. And we're really delighted that this morning, the head of Iceland Supermarkets, Richard Walker, a former Conservative supporter, has switched his support to Labour because he believes Keir Starmer has the vision and the plan to change this country, take this country forward after 14 years of the Tories. And I just think you're going to see more and more people say, you know what, the Tories have had 14 years, they're tired, they're divided, it's time for change, enough is enough. And we're really pleased to have the endorsement of Richard Walker this morning from Iceland Supermarkets, a really significant business figure.
And who else will be attending? I'm just seeing a list of those invited. A number of these large businesses facing their own, I suppose you could say, challenges at the moment. We know it's tough in the business community. I'm thinking of Airbus at the moment, but you've also got Goldman Sachs, AstraZeneca. What sort of message are you going to be giving to them, and what can they expect as businesses under a possible Labour government?
Well, your priority in the foundation always has to be economic stability. And that means being clear and disciplined with the public finances. Because we saw, didn't we, 14 or so months ago, when the Conservatives were irresponsible with the public finances, effectively ran the economy off a cliff, led to turmoil on the money markets, a run on pension funds, and so many of your viewers, so many GB News viewers this morning, paying more on their mortgage as a consequence of the recklessness of the Conservatives. We'll never play fast and loose with the public finances. And offering stability is really significant. It's really important because it gives the business community confidence, and it allows them to take the long-term decisions to invest, which helps grow your economy, create good paid jobs and raise living standards.
Can I ask you about Kate Osamor? She's a Labour MP. She's had the whip removed by the Labour Parliamentary Party. And this comes just a week after it was announced that the Labour Party, looking back on its special measures when it was serious concerns about anti-Semitism within the party, the author of that report said that most recommendations had been implemented, but that more needs to be done. And then today we have the Jewish Labour movement saying that actually what Kate Osamor has said was inappropriate and offensive. Have the Labour Party got a grip of some of the problems that it's been facing in recent years?
Well, I think the proof that we are gripping this problem, that we've torn that anti-Semitic approach, which we had members, they've been kicked out of the Labour Party, they're not welcome in the Labour Party, those people. And the fact that Kate Osamor has been suspended and there's an investigation shows you how seriously we're taking this. She's apologised, however, but there will now be an investigation. And it's important that investigation proceeds appropriately, that it's all looked into appropriately. But we take anti-Semitism extremely serious, and we'll have no truck with it.